Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to place for honest and in-depth product reviews. If you're new here, I'm glad you joined us today, and I hope this video helps you make more informed decisions on your purchases. Today, we're diving into the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit, a complete setup designed for tattoo artists, especially beginners. It promises to deliver both performance and comfort, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's start with an overview of the product. The Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit includes a cordless tattoo gun pen that is 140 millimeters long and weighs in at 233 grams. It features a 32 millimeter grip designed to offer comfort during those long tattooing sessions. The real highlight here is the cordless functionality, allowing up to 7 hours of use on a single charge. The tattoo machine also comes with an upgraded smart screen for better visibility and user interaction, making it more convenient to adjust settings on the fly. The machine offers 7 adjustable stroke options, ranging from 2.4 millimeters to 4.2 millimeters, giving you a variety of ways to adjust the depth of your tattoo, depending on the style you're working on. Along with the tattoo pen, the kit comes with 2 2000 mAh batteries, a replacement battery, tattoo needles, and essential accessories. Now, let's talk about the real-world testing and how this tattoo machine performs. As someone who's tested several tattoo machines, I found the Dragonhawk L3 to be impressively versatile. The adjustable stroke options were a game changer, especially when switching between different styles of tattooing. Whether I was working on fine lines or shading, adjusting the stroke length was simple and smooth. The cordless feature is incredibly convenient, allowing me to move freely without the constant worry of tangled wires. The smart screen was clear and intuitive, which was helpful when adjusting settings quickly. The powerful Mcore motor stood out as well. I used it for color packing and lining, and I noticed minimal snagging. It glided smoothly, even when working on more demanding designs. The noise level was quieter than other tattoo machines I've used, making for a more comfortable experience for both me and my client. However, one area where it might not excel is the weight. While it's not overly heavy, it's slightly bulkier than some other pen-style machines, which might take a bit of getting used to, especially for artists who prefer a lighter machine. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros? First, the L3 is incredibly versatile with those 7 adjustable stroke lengths, giving tattoo artists a wide range of options for different styles. The cordless feature is another major benefit, allowing for extended use without being tethered to a power source. The Mcore motor provides smooth operation, while the advanced drive system ensures precise and stable voltage for great results every time. The smart screen is a nice touch for visibility, and the included accessories like the extra battery and tattoo needles are a solid addition for those starting out. The cons. While the L3 has plenty of great features, it's not without its flaws. As I mentioned earlier, the weight might be a bit of a downside for those used to lighter machines. Additionally, while the motor is powerful, there's a slight learning curve when it comes to finding the perfect stroke length for different tasks, especially for beginners. Lastly, the ink that comes with the kit could be of higher quality, as it felt a little thinner compared to other premium inks. So does the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit offer good value for its price? Let's talk about that. With the included accessories, dual batteries, and solid build quality, the kit offers a lot for the price. For a beginner, it's a decent investment because it covers the basics and offers room for growth as your skills improve. The added bonus of having a complete setup out of the box is also a big plus. However, if you're a professional artist who needs the absolute best quality in every area, you might want to explore higher-end options. When comparing the Dragonhawk L3 to other tattoo kits on the market, it holds up pretty well. Other kits in the same price range often come with fewer accessories or have less versatility in terms of stroke length and motor power. While there are some more expensive machines with advanced features and even lighter designs, the L3 offers a great middle ground for those who want performance without breaking the bank. In terms of build quality and longevity, the Dragonhawk L3 feels durable. The materials are solid, and it doesn't feel flimsy in your hands. Since it's built to withstand demanding tattoo sessions, it should hold up well over time. I haven't had long-term issues with reliability, but considering the motor's power and the materials used, it's safe to say this machine should last with proper care. As for customer support, I haven't had any direct interactions with Dragonhawk, but the brand is generally well regarded in the tattoo community. Their products tend to be reliable, and customer service, when needed, is known to be responsive. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are a few cheaper options like the So Long Tattoo Kit, which offers solid quality but may not have the same level of versatility or features as the L3. If you're willing to spend a bit more, something like the Cheyenne Hawk pen might provide an even smoother experience, but at a significantly higher price point. In conclusion, the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit delivers a well-rounded performance for beginner tattoo artists. With its versatile stroke lengths, comfortable grip, and strong motor, it offers a lot for the price. While there are some minor drawbacks, like its weight and the quality of the ink, it's an excellent starter kit. If you're just getting into tattooing or need an affordable backup machine, this is a solid choice. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other tattoo enthusiasts can find this video too. Your support means the world. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you have any thoughts or questions about the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, keep your art sharp and your ink sharper.